part 2 of our healing journey through rebounding. Let's get started. Remember, I did 3 songs that I created in Suno, and now I'm doing 3 more songs, and I hope you enjoy them. Let's go. All right. Engage the core. Soften those knees. Relax the shoulders, they're down and back. March. Corners. Front and back. Switch the other leg. Good, now shift. Shift. Shift those hips. Twist with the heels. Push down through the heels, through the whole foot. Now, step and kick. Move that mountain. All right, ready for the next one? This is a narrow march. Quick. Squeeze the inner thigh together. All right, narrow bounce and wide. Narrow and wide. Narrow, wide. In, out. Sorry. Quick now. Push the hip out. Slow it down if you need to. Other side. Again. Okay, slow it down. Joyful jump. Ready now? Twist. It's more advanced. I know. All right. Take a break. Grab water if you need it. Last song. I'm going to use these lace-up weights. Okay? Out, in. That's right. We don't have to be perfect to show up. Come as you are. Switch to scissors. Push. Weights. Gonna go to cross jacks. Cross. Squeeze the inner thighs. Now arms. Yes. All right. Step and bicep curls. Push the heels, the whole foot. Here. You can slow it down if you want. Squats. Push the hips back and up. Push the hips back, not over your knees. Push and up. Breathe. Oh yeah, I got a new microphone. Finally, I got a new microphone that works. This is the Hollyland Lark 2. I can put it in the description if you want. Okay, round the back. Go down, round the back as you come up. All right, now give yourself a hug. Oh, because you did good today. And thank you for joining me, and we will see you next time. Oh, and don't forget, I have over 300 videos. I have numerous playlists, so you can check those out. All right, goodbye.